Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to do a little review video on this die cutting machine that I just received from AliExpress. It's Craft Buddy. I think I paid like $23, 22 to 23. I'll put the link in the description bar. So this is going to be a little first impression. We're going to test it out, see what comes in it. It says it's for ages 8 plus. So, let's see how good it is. When I first received it, it came just like that. It didn't come in a padded envelope. It just came in a regular little plasticky bag. So I felt like it didn't come protected. But, all right, let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. So the box itself wasn't damaged or anything. I just feel like, they could have did a little bit more with it. Okay, so it comes with these little plastic things. It comes with the plates. Okay, so far the color itself, it's cute. It feels nice and heavy. Not that heavy though. Looks like there's a little scratch there. Okay, so the machine itself measures 6 inches by 3.5. And you got these little rubber things. So there's nothing like a handle or something that you could put on the table so it can like get stuck on the table, like that suction thing. I don't know if that works if you put it maybe like on a glass table, but I don't know. All right, the plates, you get an A and a B. It comes with the instruction book. What I was gonna say, it wasn't in English. Okay, so it says the A, the paper, the die, the B, just run it through. So let's do that. Let's try it out. Let me put you on pause and I'll be back. I'm just gonna get a quick die. Okay, so I'm back. It says to use the A on the bottom, the paper, the die, and then the B plate. Okay, so let's see how this cuts. For some reason, it feels like it's not even doing anything. Oh, wow. Okay. I only did one pass. So let's just see how it feels with one pass. And, okay, definitely cuts it. You know what? I use 110-pound cardstock, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. But you know what? We're going to try it with different papers anyway. All right, so this was just one pass. And usually, even with my own machines, I do a front and a back. This one, we just did one pass. And I think it's not bad. Okay, so there you go, friend. Now, let me try thin cardstock or something. Let me see. Let's try thinner paper and see how that works. And it's just funny because while it was moving, it didn't feel like it was doing anything. All right, let's try this again with thinner paper. This is like just design paper. Okay, let's do it again. Like when it's doing this, it doesn't even feel like it's putting any pressure. Okay, let's see. That's why I thought it wasn't even cutting. Okay, so it's still cutting. You know what's so funny? It cut better with the 110-pound paper than it did with design paper. This one is stuck. It's not even coming out. All right, let's give this one more chance. We're going to use the same paper and we're going to do the back and forth and see if that does anything. Okay. So we're going front and let's go back. It feels weird. Like it feels like it's honestly not even cutting. But yet it's cutting. So it's a very smooth like run. Okay, this one's totally my fault. I didn't put it all the way. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it's definitely cutting. Okay, so doing the 2 passes is a little better. Again, this paper's so flimsy. Ignore this piece because I didn't have it all the way. So let's pretend that's there. All right, not bad. I feel like it's better with the thicker paper for some reason. You know, like this one cut pretty good. All right, let's do that. What else? You know what? Let me use an expensive die and see how that looks. So hold on. All right, let's try this with this die. This one says, what's it says? Hello? Or cheer? Well, we'll find out when it cuts it. I think it says cheer. All right, let's see what this one is. You know, regardless, you're spending $40 on these little machines. This one only was like about 22. So I think it does the job. Let's see. All right, this one cut. Let me get my pokey tool. Huh, not bad actually. And this was regular cardstock. Okay, so I think, there you go. I think it works better with thicker and regular cardstock because as you can see with that design paper, it's too flimsy. Look at this. So I think it passed the test. I like it. Not bad. Again, for $22. Look at that. So I use an AliExpress die and I use a regular, I forgot what brand this is, but you know, a good one. And they cut pretty good. So I like it. It is the Craft Buddy. And I'll put the link in the description bar if you guys want to check it out. Again, it comes with the 2 plates. And I like it. So I'm going to keep it. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you guys are interested in? Again, half the price. And it's cute. And it's pink. All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.